Today I am reviewing the HP ProBook 4 G1a Business AI laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been hunting for a work laptop that actually gets the job done without costing as much as a used car, you have probably stumbled across the HP ProBook 4 G1a. I have been using this machine for the past 2 weeks as my primary driver for office work, spreadsheets, and heavy browser-based multitasking, and I have some very clear thoughts on where it shines and where it falls flat. If you want to see the current pricing or check out the specific bundle details, there are links down below in the description that will take you straight to the product page. Let's start with the performance, because that is the main reason anyone buys a ProBook. This unit comes packed with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and an AMD Ryzen 5 processor. In real-world testing, this configuration is a beast for productivity. I am the kind of person who keeps 40 tabs open in Chrome while running Slack, Spotify, and Excel simultaneously, and this laptop honestly does not care. It handles that kind of load without a stutter. The jump to 32GB of RAM is a massive advantage here. Most laptops in this price range are still stuck at 16, so if you are someone who hates closing apps to free up memory, you're going to appreciate the headroom here. The 1TB SSD is also plenty of space for documents and local files, and the boot times are snappy. However, we need to talk about the screen. It is a 16-inch FHD Plus panel with 300 nits of brightness. Now, for office work, this is perfectly fine. It is anti-glare, which is great if you work near a window, and the extra vertical space from the 16:10 aspect ratio is a huge win for viewing documents. But if you are a creative professional or someone who does photo editing, you will notice the color accuracy is just average. It covers about 62.5% of the sRGB color gamut, which means colors look a bit flat compared to higher-end OLED or premium IPS displays. If your work is strictly text-based, spreadsheets, or presentations, you won't mind it at all, but do not buy this expecting a cinematic experience for media consumption. Physically, the build quality feels sturdy. HP puts these through MIL/STD 810H testing, and while I didn't take it into an Arctic wilderness or a desert dust storm, it feels like it can handle the daily commute in a backpack without any issues. It has that professional, understated aesthetic that fits perfectly in a conference room. I also appreciate the port selection. Having 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, and a dedicated HDMI 2.1 port means you can leave your dongles at home most of the time. Speaking of dongles, the bundle includes a 7-in-1 USB-C hub. It is a nice inclusion, especially if you have a legacy setup at your desk that requires a bunch of peripherals, though I found myself rarely needing it because the laptop itself is so well equipped with ports. The keyboard and trackpad are exactly what you would expect from the ProBook line. The typing experience is comfortable with decent travel, and the layout is standard enough that you won't have any weird learning curve. The 1080p webcam is a solid step up from those grainy 720p sensors that still plague many business laptops. It is crisp enough for Zoom calls and handles lighting changes reasonably well, though you should still make sure you have a decent light source in front of you. Now, let's get into the disappointments. First, the battery life is good, but it is not class-leading. Depending on your brightness settings and how hard you are pushing the processor, you are looking at a standard workday. If you are doing heavy multitasking, you will definitely want to keep your charger nearby by the late afternoon. Also, keep in mind that this is a professional upgrade unit. That means the original seal was opened to bump up the RAM and storage. While the performance benefits are undeniable, some people prefer a factory-sealed unit. HP covers the upgraded components with a 1-year warranty, which offers some peace of mind, but it is something you should be aware of before you buy. Who is this laptop for? It is perfect for the student, the remote office worker, or the small business owner who needs a reliable machine that won't lag when they have 20 different things going on at once. It is a workhorse, not a toy. If you are a gamer or a video editor looking for color-critical work, you should probably look elsewhere, as the display and integrated graphics won't satisfy those specific needs. Ultimately, the value here is in the multitasking capability. You are getting a massive amount of RAM and a very capable Ryzen processor for a price that is usually much lower than the ultra-premium thin and light machines. If you value performance and connectivity over having the thinnest chassis or the most vibrant screen on the market, this is a very practical choice. Again, if you want to dive deeper into the specs or check the current price, feel free to use the links below the video. If you have any questions about how this handles specific software or if you want to know more about the build, drop a comment below and I will do my best to answer you.